Hi there, everybody. We have a tune-up or repair report today on the Palomar Elite 900. This unit came in, had one bad transistor, wrong cap. Let's take a look at the inside. I'll describe it to you on the inside. I just want to take a quick look inside, show you some stuff in this repair. This transistor right here was bad. There's two capacitors at the bottom at both of these. One of the capacitors is supposed to be both 560s. Somebody put a 760 on this one. These two were 560s. So I took out two of them, put in 1,000 higher voltage. Right here, left the one 560. Replace this, replace the associated transistor at the base. Okay. These were too skinny 2-watt, 200 ohms. So the total together was 4 watts. I put in a single 100 ohm 5 watt. Same thing on the input here. The previous guy had some really skinny 1/4 watt 200 ohms. I took those out and put in this 5 watt 100 ohm. Okay. Alright, just wanted to show you the inside of that. Let's get back to the test. You see what we got for drivers here. Two 1446s. So you were saying in your letter that you think you should be able to drive it with 35 watts. I disagree. I think a peak power input to here shouldn't go over 20, 25 tops. Alright, let's get back to the test. I forgot to mention this power connector you had on here. This little thing's really not big enough to run a radio very good. And then that's a fancy fuse holder you got. So I took that off. I put on this Anderson power quick disconnect, just in case you don't have the soldering facility to put this on yourself. I'm going to send you one with some wires on it already so you can attach it to what you got. Alright. And then we'll also send you a real AGU fuse holder you can put at the battery. Alright, all the way at the other end of this. Run this positive, negative all the way to the battery. Okay, now you see what was done on the inside. Let's go ahead and fire it up. We're going to have it in high power. Oh wait, let's leave it off. And let's talk about what I'm driving it with. I got 10 watts across the top there. Just about a 2 watt carrier going into it. Peak power. There's 20 watts and 30. Oh, you. About 24 watts peak power going into it. I know you asked me to drive it with 35, but I don't think those transistors should be hit with 35, so I'm not going to. I think 24 is plenty. Okay, I'm putting in a 1,000 watt slug here. We'll go ahead and select up 300 watts here. 1, 2, 300. We'll turn the amp on in high power. Key it down. I got it set for about 100 watts there. And the 1,000 watt scale, 400, and there's 600. Audio, check, 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 audio. Okay, just a little over 6, 14.2 volts. And I know you're expecting 9, but if anybody out there has ever seen a Palomar Elite 900 do 9, I want you to go ahead and put something down in the comments there. And let me know what kind of watt meter that was, what kind of magic. Alright guys, have a good one. Okay, a little addendum, I forgot the sideband. Let's put the radio in sideband. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, it is not a Class C amplifier, you see it's biased. Audio, check, check, check. Audio. Okay. That wraps it up.